pull it a little bit more. Tell them to keep pulling. Oh! We gotta redo the strap to make it tight. We're just redoing it so it's tight. Hey, make this end shorter actually, man. A little bit, because it's going off to the side. Alright, you got it. I'm riding on this bitch. Oh, there's some spiders in here. Oh shit. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get a boat. You don't need a trailer. Trailers are for fancy people. Come on, Mr. Light, don't go out.
Where are you going? I don't get stuck.
You're not gonna get stuck. I got a beastly tow strap. Alright, hang on, what I'm gonna get you to do, I'm gonna go in reverse a little bit, and I'm gonna shorten the strap. I'm gonna get you to pull up your truck almost to the no trespassing sign, but I'm gonna let you stop where you can back out of it, okay?
Alright.
But the boat will still be
back out of it.
Alright. What? Hang on. Come back. Slowly. Come back a little bit more. All right. All right, go forward towards that sign up there. This is a Dodge right here, Mopar. You're good, you're getting grip. Alright, this is fine right here, man. I'm gonna untie it and back you out, alright? Alright, go forward. Yeah, you know how to do it. Yeah. It's old ruts. Give her gas. Ah, slinging rocks. And that's how you move a boat.